Hi friends, so thank you so much to welcome on the last value of Agile, which is responding to change over following a plan. Acha, one thing I just want to know from you that have you ever thought in previous all my videos in Agile values when we were talking about why they are saying over, why they are not saying instead of or replace or not, why they are saying over, why they are not saying like responding to change instead following a plan, why they are saying over, why not they are saying responding to change not following a plan. Understand the meaning of over, if you will notice here, is it is not like it is replacing something, it is giving preference, right? पहले भी इन द पास्ट ऑल्सो पहले भी सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप होते थे, ऐसा नहीं कि सॉफ्टवेयर वर नॉट डेवलपिंग और देयर वाज नो एनी processes, there was no any protocols or no any methodology was there, it was there. But why then Agile picked up in a very fast pace, why Agile adapted in a very fast way? Because they have broken those broken those old tradition of developing a software in all values, in four values if you will look. So basically it is giving preference to the customer, making the team responsible, making the team to take ownership. The crux I'm telling you, like if I'm talking about comprehensive documentation or interaction, a lot of things are there. So Agile is focusing on those areas, right? In the same fourth principle, if we are talking about fourth values, if we are talking about, they are talking responding to change over following a plan, which means एक सिंपल सा अगर आप एक एनालिसिस करते हैं लाइक इन डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज इफ यू विल सी, तो मार्केट में बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि जो भी प्रोडक्ट चल रहे हैं they are changing in a very fast pace. You remember 10 years before, if I talk about, so there was a very famous brand in a phone that was Nokia, then BlackBerry that came, then Android phone came, then there was a Samsung Bada phone was there, then after that Android came, then now Apple phone is there, a lot of other different companies who are giving their good platform over the Android phones. Why these changes are there? Because it is on the basis of the current market situation, what customers is looking for. If I put you 30 years before and I say, boss, the day will come when people will not see to each other, but they will talk and they can see to each other even they are not present at the same location. You might be surprised, just 40 years before if I talked about. But today it is happening. We do a video call, we do a lot of applications are there where we can see to each other. So projects or products keep changing because of the multiple factors. It may be some customer requirement, market fast pacing, right? So they change. Now if we are focusing on a rigid plan or we are focusing on a rigid process, that is not going to help you, right? So we cannot focus on the planning, we should change our plan. Development should be quicker, and development, if I'm talking about the developments, it's a testing plus dev both activities. So it should adapt the changes quickly, so the customer will not feel any kind of a lag is there. You remember, like I have told you a long time back, there was a Nokia phone that has been changed now. I'm sorry to take that name, but I'm just giving you this example. So they have to change, right? Customer satisfaction was not very good when we do not have a, or we are following a strict a plan, right? Rework was, a lot of rework was there. If you will go in your Scrum, right, you will see this kind of things that product owners sometimes during the Scrum or mid of the sprint, they add some new user story. How you are going to respond to that, right? So it is very important, like Agile Manifesto always advocate to respond to change over a following up, over to follow a plan. And it is not that we should not follow a plan, but we should change our planning according to the current situation. right? And because any change definitely it comes with a cost, so it should be a cost and timing also and resources as well. So we should adapt or we should accept the change according to a new plan, right? I know this is a risky to accept the change, but yes, we should be having planning for that, right? Inspection states that a team should closely inspect the outcome of each iteration to understand not only the iterative product which is produced, but also what should be changed during the iteration, right? Like if I talk about, there is a three pillars of a Scrum: inspect, adapt, and there is a transparency. So let's discuss about these terms, how they are involving here in this soft agile values. So basically, inspection of doing what kind of a plan we can change, how we can adapt those things, right? What should be the transparency, how we can let the customer know that this is our new plan and this how we are going to respond on new changes, right? So that's why agile always prefer to do respond to change over restricting or restricting ourselves over a plan, right? So plan should be changed. One very beautiful thing I tell you, if you are from testing background, right? So one more thing why I always focus on testing, because my background is from testing. So in testing, if you guys are aware that there is a test strategy, there is a test plan which is changeable, that is changeable according to the situation. The same we follow here, right? So guys, again I'm telling to you, agile is beautiful journey. If you will understand the concept, you will love it, believe me. And agile has really focusing more on, instead of a lot of work pressure, lot of work burden, lot of documentation, they focus on delivery, they focus on engaging to the people, they focus on cross functionality, they focus on win-win situation. That's a beautiful part. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, share the video with your friends. And since now we have finished with all agile 4 values, now in next video I will prepare for agile principles. So those 12 principles we will discuss. I will prepare a video, and if you have any suggestion, you want me to make any video which you like to understand, so please comment in below section. I will read it and I will respond, and I will try to make a video on that. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful time with your family, with your friends. Enjoy, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.